Welcome to Champion Global Power Equipment.
3,400 watts. At the beginning, after you fill it up and put your oil in, you want to pull to choke it. Turn it on, the fuel. Turn on your motor. Turn on your economy. And give her a pull.
First try.
She's a runner.
And it's actually quite quiet.
Now, choke it.
Nice. All right, what are we going to test it on? Okay, so we're going to try with my phone charger
See if she works.
to see if it works. And he's plugging it in.
And you see that little lightning bolt right there?
It's charging.
Ta-da! Yay! Not charging.
And now I'll show them how to shut it down when you're done with it.
You want to turn it off first, so this way you burn out the fuel running in there and it keeps the carburetor nice and clean. You'll hear it choke out eventually. Any day.
And she's done. So Dan, what's your impression of the generator?
A+.
A+.